Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Josie here. I'm getting ready for work. I'm already done, but before that, I wanted to show you what I got from Amazon. This is a package which will improve, hopefully, my vlogging skills. So, my husband placed an order at Amazon for a Boya microphone, shotgun microphone, and together with that, let me show you, I also have let's see, the smart grip. So this is what I got from Amazon, and this is basically a gift from my husband to me, and I can't wait to test it on the weekend. So let's unbox it together just to make it sure that everything is okay. Let's see what is in there. Ooh, this is how it looks like. It's very small. If you could imagine, this is like let's see, this is a cigarette. And this is how it looks like. Now it does have a manual in it, and the container, the dispenser where they put it. Now let me just open this real quick. This is from Boya, and what they have, the features: it is compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, camcorders, it could be an audio recorders, etc. And very compact and lightweight, supposedly, with a rugged metal construction, no battery required, and professionally fur windshield included. So let's see how it looks like. Ooh, there is a manual in it, and what I got here is basically the rig for this microphone, plus the microphone itself with the windshield attached in it. Let me just remove it. Oh. There you go. So it's pretty small basically. Again, I'll take this as an example. This is, look, this is bigger or taller than the microphone itself. And what you'll have as well is basically an audio jack for the camera, and this one is for the smartphone. There's label on it. It says the other one is for smartphone. That one, I'm not sure it will focus. Oh, it doesn't focus. Anyways, it says smartphone, and on the other hand, it says the audio for the microphone. So, plus like a pouch where you could put it. And I saw a while ago there is also this one included in it. So I got it from Amazon. My husband bought it for around 42 euros and 99 cents. I will link you I will show you the link down below. Maybe later. I need to ask him where exactly he bought it. And so that's it for today. I wanted to show you that before I go to work, and hopefully I could feature a very nice video to you guys, and at the same time show you my experience with the Boya, if it is really working or not, using my smartphone. Because most of the time whenever I'm vlogging, I always have my smartphone with me. I'm using the Samsung S9 smartphone, and you just have it whenever you go. So that's it, you guys. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you for watching. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.